Guys, this is ITS service. Today we have iPod 6 with missing traces, sorry, on the charging cable, this one here. So this is how I fix it. See the connector, guys. 1 2 3 missing, 4 5 is missing. Very important, after all this we're using the glue, super glue, cover all the traces. I'm gonna show you guys how. Just a little bit here on the corners, because I want my traces to stay stable. And then we will put this under the glue, the UV light. Okay, this is good so far. We're just gonna use the UV light and we're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. Any problem I can help, and thank you very much.